Welcome to the future of urban adventure. This is the 2025 Mini Countryman, a bold evolution of a classic, blending British charm with modern innovation like never before. In a world where compact crossovers are everywhere, the new Countryman dares to stand out, not just with looks but with attitude, performance, and smart functionality. Let's talk design. At first glance, the 2025 Countryman looks unmistakably mini, but chunkier, more sculpted, and ruggedly refined. The iconic circular headlights are now sharper, with a futuristic LED signature that nods to Mini's heritage while pushing the design language forward. The grille is wider and more pronounced, giving the front end a confident, athletic stance. From the side, clean lines and beefed-up wheel arches tell you this Mini isn't just for the city, it's built to explore. But step around back and you'll see even more personality. Vertical taillights inspired by the Union Jack? Still there but now sleeker and more dynamic. The rear bumper has a tougher look, and the new color options, like smoky green and blazing blue, add a touch of rebellion to the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Countryman offers more options than ever. You can go with a zippy 3-cylinder turbo, a powerful 4-cylinder for that extra kick, or for the first time ever in a Mini crossover, a fully electric variant. Yes, Mini is going electric in a big way, and the Countryman EV promises an estimated range of over 250 miles, with instant torque and zero emissions. Whether you're carving through city streets or heading out on a weekend escape, the Countryman delivers fun with responsibility. And let's not forget the tech. With Level 2 semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist, the 2025 Countryman is smarter than ever. It's not just a car, it's a co-pilot. So, whether you're a lifelong Mini fan or just looking for something different in a sea of lookalike SUVs, the 2025 Countryman might just be the breath of fresh air you've been waiting for. It's stylish, sustainable, and full of surprises. Mini might be in the name, but this car is thinking big. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the world's coolest cars. Catch you in the next one.